So what could be the top 3 features for Newsreader app? So first of all, it could be a filter option for searching specific news. So what I mean is, when the user is actually logging into the app, he chooses all the topics he wants to see in his news screen, and in that concrete and specific news screen, he wants to filter the news even more. So like he wants to see all the technology news, which could be about Apple or Android or iOS or whatever. If he chooses sports, it could be only for basketball and stuff like this. The second one could be a better implementation of users' interests via Add Topics page. So in the Add Topics page, the application could actually add a high variety of categories or topics for the user to choose from. So it could be science, UX design, sports, politics, business, marketing, graphic design, technology, anything, and more and more, and even more. And the third one could be just to sign them up with a social media accounts. We don't want that the user would need to actually signing in with a long form so that he could drop out from our app when he is going to see that he needs to write down a very long form for it in order to use our app. So we probably want to implement a social login buttons. In our case, it's going to be probably a Facebook and Twitter, which are two of the most popular social media websites in the world. So what those 3 features could say about me? Well, I probably want to have a high variety of filtering options for my news application, because I really want to be kind of specific for the news. Also, I want that the application could have an easy signing in or logging in implementation of the app, so I could easily log in for the app and start reading news right away. And also I want to have a high variety of options I also want to have a high variety of topics so that the app is going to print out the most popular and the most readable news from my. So, according to my topics page, according to my Add Topics page, where I choose all the categories I want to see in the Newsreader app.